Joining me today is Helly from Enter Via Laundry. We're going to be cooking one of her signature dishes today. This is something that a lot of you may not have seen. I certainly haven't. We're going to be making almost like an Indian-style noodle with besan flour.
We're going to make khanvi today, which is with besan flour and a little bit of coconut milk. It's super delicious.
So you say it's easy. Let's see how easy it really is.
It is super easy. It's just some flour and water. Okay. So we've got some besan flour over here.
Which is chickpea flour.
That's right, yeah. And we're adding that to this 2 cups of water. And then I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric.
Okay. That's going to give it that vibrant yellow colour.
That's right, yes.
Good.
And so because it has so much protein, that's the reason why we're adding water. So it cooks down like a custard, and then it goes further, becomes like polenta.
Okay, right.
Okay, we're going to strain this through.
Just to catch any of those bits there.
Little lumps. We need a very smooth batter. And so any of these last bits, we're just going to whisk it up.
Very nice. I'll take that for you.
Beautiful, thank you. So now this goes on a low heat.
Right.
And then we're going to gently cook this, and we're going to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. It should take about 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, well, you've got the hard job. I can just sit here and watch you do your thing.
All right, so now you can see it's at that polenta stage.
Yes.
And then we're going to quickly spread this on the bench.
Okay. And you've just sprayed that with a bit of oil spray?
A little bit of oil. So just a little bit to start with.
Right.
And then just get a bread scraper.
Wow. I can understand why you need to get it to that perfect consistency. If it's too thick, then it won't spread, and if it's too thin, you won't be able to form the noodles.
That's right. So we just want it elastic enough that it comes off this.
And so does this need to set for a while?
Just 10-15 seconds until it's set. So you can just quickly test from the side and see if it's lifting off.
Ooh, yes.
And once it is, we are ready to cut and roll.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna clean the edges a little bit. And then I can just lift it off.
It really comes up easily, doesn't it?
It does.
And you see why it's important to oil the bench. Oh, wow, that is so cool, Helly.
So traditionally we would just eat this like this.
Right.
With a little bit of mustard seeds and other things. But I'm going to show you a little different way. Remember, this is gluten-free. So it's one of those things that you can enjoy without worrying about the gluten. It's nice and fun. Do you want to try it?
I'd love to, actually. So just rolling it up like that. Oh, it feels great. There we go. I must admit, I should be using more besan flour because it is this versatile.
It is very nice, yeah. And so next we are going to cut this up.
So wider noodles?
Yes, we're just going to open this up and serve it with the sauce. So we want to cut this up nicely. And we're just going to put this in a tray and have it ready.
If I was making this a few hours in advance, would I cover them at all?
Yes, and it would be a good idea to cover them.
Okay. All right, what's next, Helly?
So next up, we're just going to heat up a pan, add some vegetable oil to it.
Okay, what are we making here?
So it's a simple little coconut sauce with tempering of mustard seeds and some sesame seeds.
Okay. Okay, mustard seeds in.
So tempering is when you flavor the oil with different spices and then you add it into a sauce or a dal, or in this case we're adding coconut milk.
Right.
But it flavors the oil, and you just make sure that you're stirring it while you are tempering, and that makes sure that it doesn't split.
Amazing. Oh, so they're popping now?
Yeah, so now we move very quickly. We add in some sesame seeds here, and then we add some asafoetida, just a pinch. We then add some ginger and chili.
There we go, ginger.
So a little bit of ginger for the heat, a bit more heat with the chili.
Okay.
Give it a stir. And then we add in the coconut milk.
Ooh. Bubbly.
And then we're going to add some salt to this.
Okay, a pinch of salt.
Thank you. So now this is ready. It's bubbling away. All the spices are mixed, and we are ready to plate.
So you don't want that to be too thick?
No, we don't want that to be too thick. Just a simmer is enough.
Very good.
Okay, so first we're going to start with the sauce. And we are pouring it about 2.5 tablespoons of this.
What region does this come from?
This comes from Gujarat, which is where I'm from.
That's why I'm so passionate about this dish.
Very passionate. My aunt used to make this for me as a snack when I was young.
Yep.
And that's why it's really stuck in my memory.
Oh, wow.
And something that she still makes for me when I go back home.
The way you're presenting this is so pretty. The vibrancy of the noodles, so yellow.
Beautiful. So that's now ready to go. And then we're going to dot them with the oils up here.
Okay. What type of oils do we have?
So this one is chili and lemongrass oil, and this one is Thai basil.
Right.
It's not very Indian to have Thai basil, but it just really works well. And that's the bit where restaurant-y attitude comes to this dish.
Look at that.
So we just want to dot this, be a bit chefy.
And the green one. And if you want to make these oils from scratch, these recipes are in your latest book?
They are in my latest book, and you can make exactly what I'm making now. And we are going to dot this with some beautiful flowers up here.
Oh, I have some here for you. Wow, look at that. A very modern take on a traditional dish.
Yes, my aunt doesn't make it like that.
No.
Alrighty, so after doing all the chefy bits, we are ready here with the khanvi. And would you like to have a taste?
Absolutely. Okay, noodles. I probably should grab a spoon, right? So
I think you should. You want that sauce and the oils and the khanvi in it.
Wow, you're a magician. It's so good. The texture of those noodles are just so standout, and the coconut, it's very fresh. It's very refreshing, the flavour of it. If you ever go to Enter Via Laundry, you get to try this dish. It's part of the degustation. And of course, if you want to try making this at home, you can, because the recipe is in your newest book. What's the name of your beautiful book?
The Food of Bharat.
Very nice.